Communication is the best important thing to conversate between you and the opposite person. So, hello friends and all the learning enthusiasts. I welcome you to K Bharani. Today's topic is nothing but 5 things to improve your communication skills. At the starting of my channel only, I've dedicated that my channel would be sincerely it's into subject and knowing that subject and applying yourself and learning, not into practical knowledge, theory plus practical. That's what my channel is all about. So today's topic is nothing but 5 things to improve your communication skills. So first thing is listening. Please do listen whatever the opposite person is at least talking or saying. Why? Because most of them lack in the listening skills. We have poor listening skills. The poor listening skills actually results in the poor understanding of what the opposite person is trying to convey you. So first would be listening, active listening. And second one is think twice or thrice. Once you listen the whatever the opposite person has said in the conversation, it may be in the meeting or in the seminar, in the conclave, anything. When opposite person is speaking, please listen to that and think twice or thrice whatever the opposite person is trying to convey. If you feel that the opposite person is trying to say something that you need to counter that with some question or with some answer or something, then speak about it. But think twice or thrice. Second one is making an eye contact. When you make an active eye contact with an opposite person, you'll feel that you will have gained some confidence and you'll have the command over the whatever you are speaking. When you lose eye contact, opposite person automatically understand that you have lacking in the nervousness and your confidence is dropping from one level to another level and your clarity is not there in the speech. Fourth one is tonal quality. The how you pitch and how you speak, it results in the opposite person taking it. Suppose your tonal quality is very much low, opposite person can't even understand that. Suppose if I speak hello, that my tonal quality is very much less. If I speak that hello, my tonal quality is automatically increasing and you are able to catch the clear speech. So clear pitch and tonal quality and making your voice audible to the opposite person requires. Tonal quality doesn't mean that you have to scream, and eye contact doesn't mean that you have to keenly observe the opposite person only. If you are keenly observing the opposite person without an eyelids, without any plug, and you are keenly observing an opposite person like this, that he is simply understand that you are a creep or something. Please make a subtle eye contact. And fifth one, try to improve constantly speaking with others. And try constantly speaking with others make results that whatever you speak have some little bit of minor errors, the opposite person can find out, he can rectify you. So this is what 5 things I suggest so that you can improve your active communication skills. I'll also come up with a lot of communication related soft skills training videos so that you can learn a lot of communication, English speaking, body language, and how language is important in different perspective in life, or either maybe in professional life, personal life, in terms of business or anything. So that please stay tuned with my channel and to learn the active communication skills, how to speak fluently in English, how to improve your personality, how to impress an opposite person, and everything comes under in my channel so that you can learn it, you can apply on yourself. And please share this video for all the people who are lacking of communication skills and who are very much nervousness to speak and that speak in public, maybe in terms of friend. So please do like it, share it, and do comment you want any topic to speak about. And thank you so much for watching.